I'll leave it to the audience for that one. But it's an absolute honor and pleasure to be here. And I want to take the first time to thank Sugato and his team and the choreographers and everyone else for making this possible. To answer your question, I think everyone has a small kernel of genius. And the idea is they don't always have the access. The Amjanta in the farthest reaches should have the access to masters like her and him and everyone else, because everyone deserves to learn. And the real question is not where Madhuri Dixit is now. Where is the next Madhuri Dixit coming from? Where is the next Terence Lewis coming from? Our vision is simple, that can we teach the world to dance together and make it a better place and build on a dialogue of love instead of some of the other things that are going on these days? But the bigger thing that we've found is that we actually can, and in partnering with Videocon D2H, we're going out to 18 million homes, 90 million people, and the last mile equation so that they can all learn from the masters. And so for us, it's very exciting to be here. And I think the outcomes you'll see, whether these kids become Bollywood stars or they go on to dance in a production, or they just do it for fun in a shadi, the idea is to bring everyone together around something which they love. And so it's a real honor to be here, and we're absolutely proud of partnering with Videocon D2H, one of the fastest growing DTHs in the country. And like he said, when you have a population of users, which is greater than the population of some of the countries in Europe, it gives you pause. And so with that, I'll leave it to you.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for the force of D2H naturally, please. Come on, remember, ones who clap the loudest get to jam with Madhuri on stage.
And rehearse and try to make every dance look different from the other. So I think I look at it very happily. I look back on my life, and I'm very, very grateful to God for where I am, and I'm very blessed, and I'm thankful always.
And Madhuri, among the current breed of actors, whom do you see stepping into your shoes? Whom do you admire for their dancing skills?
Yeah, I mean, we have a lot of very good ladies who do some very good dancing. There's Priyanka Chopra, there is Deepika, who's very graceful, Aishwarya Rai, there's Kareena Kapoor, Sonakshi Sinha has a flair for dancing. So all these ladies, they all get their own little characters into what they do, and it's lovely to watch them.
But for us, there's only one Madhuri Dixit, all right? Next question, please. The man there. Hi.
Hi, this is Sohail.
हाय माधुरी जी, मेरा प्रश्न आपसे ये है कि जो डांस मतलब इतना आपके हिसाब से हर किसी में है, लेकिन आजकल जो क्लासिकल डांस है उसका बहुत कम लोगों में असर देखने को मिलता है. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा कि आपने वो सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे स्टेज पे आज दिखे, जो ग्रेस और जो वो चीज़ देखने को मिलती है क्लासिकल में. कितना ज़रूरी है किसी भी डांसर को क्लासिकल डांस पहले सीखे फिर बाकी डांस सीखे?
क्लासिकल डांस तो फाउंडेशन है डांस का, क्योंकि उसमें आपको सब कुछ सिखाया जाता है. फुटवर्क है, आपके तत्कार जिसे कहते हैं, आपके हैंड्स के मूवमेंट्स हैं, मुद्राएं हैं, बॉडी मूवमेंट है, अभिनय है, तो सब कुछ है एक डांस में. और अगर आप क्लासिकल सीखते हैं तो उसके बाद आप कोई भी डांस स्टाइल पिकअप कर सकते हैं, क्योंकि आपका बेसिक जो सेंस ऑफ रिदम, सेंस ऑफ डिसिप्लिन बॉडी को जो चाहिए, और सेंस ऑफ इमोटिंग, आप ये सब कुछ सीखते हैं क्लासिकल में. दैट्स व्हाई डांस विद माधुरी पे देयर 35 डिफरेंट स्टाइल्स ऑफ डांसिंग. और ना कि सिर्फ वेस्टर्न डांसिंग है, बॉलीवुड डांसिंग है, इंडियन क्लासिकल भी है जो महाराज जी ने खुद सिखा रहे हैं. कथक के जो देयर इज नो वन बेटर देन हिम फॉर कथक, और भरतनाट्यम है. सो देयर इज क्लासिकल एज वेल.
Hi, Madhuri ji. Congratulations to you all. Just needed to know कि how exactly does it really work, like इसमें किस तरह से ये working होगा. और हमने जो देखा था कि जो डांस फॉर्म है, very teaching actually, it's in English. तो how many languages also are there in?
There is Hindi and then English. Both languages are there.
माधुरी मैडम,
और एक मिनट, मैंने आंसर नहीं किया अभी तक. कैसे D2H पे कैसे आएगा, ये आप पूछ रहे हैं मुझसे? It's just a phone call away. और ये क्वेश्चन मैं जरूर
there's a free preview period till the 22nd of May, after which there will be a missed call number. You just have to subscribe by calling a missed call number like you would subscribe to any other channel.
कितने भी साल के आप हों, आप सीख सकते हैं. Whether you are 3-4 years old or whether you are more than that, 60 or 70, there's no age restriction. It also depends on your fitness level, how much you can do. लेकिन डांस तो आप जरूर सीख सकते हैं किसी भी ages, across all ages.
Hi,
Madhuri madam.
Excuse me.
Just one last
There's Mr. Dr. Nini wants to add to it.
So, आपको question बहुत अच्छा है. The issue is this, that how do you teach people, right? And so we have a team that gives you almost accredited content, which basically breaks it down. So there's no age barrier. If you're 5 or you're 80, you can still dance. And in shadis, you see it all the time. And so we've designed content for every level of consumption. We have things for kids, we have Bharatanatyam, we have Kathak, we have contemporary, at different levels, beginning, intermediate, and advanced. So the beauty of this on this platform is it's basically organized. So you have offerings every day, you know what they are in advance. But throughout our universe where we offer it, the idea is to give everyone the ability to dance. And again, she's saying not everyone should be doing something at 500 steps per second. But at the same time, everyone can dance, and it's just a matter of getting them to.
माझा प्रश्न माधुरीजींना आहे. प्रश्न असा आहे की आता जे इथे डान्स झाले ते सगळे वेगवेगळ्या प्रांतातले प्रतिनिधी प्राधान्य दिलं गेलं नाही, तर लावणी हा क्लासिकल मध्ये मोडत नाही का?
लावणी हा फोक आहे. इट्स नॉट अ क्लासिकल डान्स, इट्स अ फोक डान्स. पण ऑफकोर्स लावणी हे म्हणजे मी परफॉर्म पण केलेली आहे लावणी ऑन झलक दिखलाजा, आमचा जो फिनाले होता त्याच्यावरती. आणि इट्स अ व्हेरी व्हेरी इंडियन, व्हेरी व्हेरी महाराष्ट्रीयन फॉर्म ऑफ डान्सिंग. तर नक्कीच आम्ही शिकवणार आमच्या वेबसाईटवर, कारण त्याच्यावरती वी हॅव फोक डान्सेस एज वेल. वी हॅव नवरात्रीसाठी म्हणजे गरबा आणि असे सगळे डान्स स्टाईल्स आहेत त्याच्यावर. तर त्याच्यामुळे लावणी पण नक्की आम्ही शिकवणार 100%.
माझा असा प्रश्न आहे की टीव्ही मीडियामुळे अवेअरनेस वाढला का सोसायटीमध्ये डान्सबद्दल?
येस, आय वुड अग्री विथ दॅट. कारण एवढे कॉम्पिटिशन्स असतात, एवढे डान्स शोज आहेत आज, आणि डान्सबद्दल एक अवेअरनेस आहे लोकांना. कारण ते बघतायत की कसं आजची लहान मुलं पण काय काय नाच करू शकतात आणि काय काय करू शकतात. त्यांच्या ॲबिलिटीज, एक डिस्कवरी, म्हणजे जी टॅलेंट आहे आपल्या गावागावातनं टॅलेंट आहे, त्यांना डिस्कवरी कशी मिळणार. सो दीज आर द प्लॅटफॉर्म्स. इवन डान्स विथ माधुरी हे एक प्लॅटफॉर्म आहे, कारण आफ्टर यू लर्न तुम्ही स्वतःला पिक्चराइज करू शकता आणि ते अपलोड करू शकता ऑन वेबसाईट. सो दॅट. आणि D2Hचं रीच एवढा आहे की स्मॉलर टू स्मॉलेस्ट सेंटर्समध्ये ह्याचा रीच आहे, आणि त्याच्यामुळे आमचं असोसिएशन आहे. कारण आय वॉन्ट टू रीच आउट टू द इवन द रिमोटेस्ट डिनॉमिनेशन फॉर दिस. तर त्याच्यामुळे माझी इच्छा आहे की प्रत्येक लहान गाव असू दे, काही असो, तिथे सगळ्यांना एक चान्स मिळायला पाहिजे शिकायला. कारण सगळ्यांमध्ये एक जिनियस आहे, आणि शिकले तर ते आपला टॅलेंट आपली दाखवू शकतात.
अच्छा, एक वेगळा प्रश्न आहे. बर्थडे अगदी क्लोज आलाय, काय प्लॅनिंग आहे?
Well, बहुत सारे surprises आने वाले हैं. I request our over enthusiastic PR team to allow me to handle the mics being circulated, so that there's a lady here जो पिछले 5 मिनट से हाथ रेस कर रही हैं. So ma'am, Sir, we will come to you, sir.
Yes.
2 minutes, please. Thank you, ma'am. All yours. Sorry to keep you waiting. You know, we're looking forward to your question.
My name is Kushbu. So I want to ask, so initially when you entered the industry, so you were mentored by ace choreographers. And today with the launch of Dance with Madhuri, you are going to be the mentor to millions of people. So how do you feel about it? Are you nervous about it?
Well, no, I have taught classes on Dance with Madhuri, and I'm so happy to do that because I always feel that I am what I am because of my fans. And if I can give back something, like a lot of people have, you know, whenever I meet fans, they say, when can we learn from you? We want to learn from you, how you do the expressions, how you do this, how you do that. And this is my opportunity to give back and actually teach what I know. I'm sharing my knowledge with them, and that gives me great pleasure. It doesn't make me nervous at all. It just makes me happy.
Wow, all right. The gentleman there, sir, can you pass the mic there, please? Hello, sir. How are you?
Thanks, Siddharth. Aryaman here. My question is for Mr. Banerjee. Hello. Yeah. More of a business question. Today's newspaper has announced that Airtel has shown a downsize on 72% of their